Hi, my name is James. Many years ago, when I was experiencing hair loss, I went to Dr. Taub and asked, what can I do about this? She told me,
most products try to block DHT or increase scalp circulation, but don't directly support the growth of new and stronger hair. It's like removing harmful weeds from your lawn, but not doing much to fertilize the grass.
So I started looking at what could scientifically fertilize my scalp and hair. That's how KeraFactor was formed. We saw this problem and focused our research on finding just the right combination of biosynthetic growth factors and an innovative delivery system to promote fuller, stronger-looking hair. Here is the science behind what we are doing. Our formula consists of 7 different biosynthetic growth factors that can support the hairs during their growth phase. Each of these growth factors are wrapped into their own nanoliposomes for optimal delivery. After applying the formula to the scalp, these microscopic nanoliposomes naturally attract to the openings around each of the hairs. They're designed to remain intact until arriving at the optimal location, where they can release our patented formula for maximum results. So whether you're suffering from a variety of hair issues or even stress-related hair loss,
KeraFactor is the perfect scalp-friendly treatment that influences the hair's life cycle at its critical stages, leading to stronger and healthier looking hair.
KeraFactor, skincare for hair.